Hello and welcome to my new video where we dive into the history of beautiful Dalkeith. Please share this video with friends, and if you like it and I earn your subscription today, thank you. Now you are looking at Dalkeith Orangery, built around 1832 and originally used to grow exotic fruit for a Duke of Dalkeith Palace. This symbol of wealth has been carved from sandstone, and around it you can find the old amphitheatre area with a beautiful horse statue installation related to the nearby stables. Crossing the newly renovated stables, which is an ideal place to enjoy your coffee, I head to the Dalkeith Palace. In the 12th century, a castle was built by the Grahams, and his prominent and easily defended site is near the junction of the North and South River Esk. It was the scene of sieges and royal visits. This palace has been turned into a Scottish Renaissance palace local known as a Lion's Den in the 1570s. Imagine this building surrounded by water, as the area has been flooded as many different sites in these times. The house is now known as the Dalkeith Palace, due to a succession of royal visitors including King George IV, Queen Victoria and King Edward VII. There are so many places to visit in Dalkeith. The beautiful Corn Exchange building, which has been a busy part of local fascinating history. After you pass the Burns Monument, a Victorian cast iron fountain, you came across one of the local hidden gems. Site of this local parish church has been place of worship since 11th century, and the present building dates to the early 15th century. I was fortunate enough, and with the permission of local pastor, I was able to take a look inside. Don't miss this spot as an ideal place to finish a long day of exploring local heritage.